Hello friends, back again with me in my channel. My name is Annisa Ramadhani. Today I'm going to create the procedural text. How to make a Wedang Uwuh. Ginger, lamb sugar, clove, cinnamon leaf, mace leaf, and clove leaf. Start with shaving. Water. First of all, burn ginger. Don't get burned. Second, beaten the burnt ginger. Prepare the pot for boiling. Put some water in the pan and heat it up. Then take the ginger and boiling ginger juice comes up. Next, include the other protein of the ingredient as a clove, cinnamon leaf, mace leaf, downward shaving, and lamb sugar in water that was boiled in the pot with the ginger. Then boil it down to a boil for about 15 minutes. After boiling, the water will turn into a brick red. Turn off the fire from the stove. Pour it in glasses and drink the while it's warm. Mbak niki kula ndamel wedang uwuh monggo diunjuk.
Nggih, Dik, matur nuwun.
Nggih.
Enak, Dik, anget.
Nggih, matur nuwun.